Today we'll talk about how can you enable dark mode on your Pinterest app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just go down here, click on this sign down here, and you just click on it. It's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. You go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. You click here on settings, then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on account management. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Click here on app theme, just click on it here. Sorry, we will go back. Click here on app theme here. It's going to show for you a list like this. Click here on dark here, then it's going to enable with you to dark mode on your Pinterest app. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.